Hey guys, John at Revive Power Washing here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video here and show you how I got my machines plumbed up. I just spent the last couple days on and off trying to get these all hooked up, and had a couple questions on Facebook, so I just wanted to shoot this and show you how I did it. There's my water tote there. I got this Banjo 3-way ball valve. You can see here coming out the arrows. I got going, this direction goes to the tanks, that direction's a dump out, so through a 2-inch PVC line I can I'll show you here. There you go, turns the corner. I got a little union there, loosen that up, and then turn this PVC right out the door there so I can dump it, so I don't have to travel with a full tank if I'm have extra at a job. So then to feed the tanks, I got come in this direction. It's 2-inch PVC to a T right here. That ball valve right there goes back to the 8-gallon cold water unit here, which you can see I have it dual fed. Got this brass Y strainer, 1-inch. So it goes from 2-inch with a 1-inch reducer down to the 1-inch brass Y strainer. And then here I've got dual fed. This is 3/4 inch braided poly line, and all these fittings I got from Home Depot. I saw Michael Kreisley's dual feeding video with those JIC connectors, and I was looking around for them. I couldn't find any except for steel, and this is a brand new machine here, so I didn't want to be feeding with steel fittings and getting it all rusted up. So I found these brass ones here at Home Depot. Since I'm using 3/4, these are garden hose connectors. So I just got the fittings, and these are live swivels here. So if I ever need to work on the pump and take the head off, I can just disconnect this one here and this one here, and then all I got is this loose. This will be a loose piece of hose here, and this piece up here will be loose too. So that way I can pull the head off, and then all I have are those 2 short strands of hoses attached. So thanks, Michael, for the idea on that. This is a modified version of that. So that's the 8-gallon machine back there. I don't have the fuel lines hooked up or anything yet, but that's it, plumbed. So then we'll go back this way. This is to my hot water machine. Same concept here. This looks a little muddled up here because I only had a couple fittings on hand, and I need to get this thing up and running. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit, get some of these fittings pulled out. So basically it goes from this fitting here into the PVC. These things were on so tight from my old setup, I couldn't get them off. And I didn't have a channel lock big enough, or I don't have a vise up at my shop here yet to be able to throw this big 2-inch piece in to take this piece off so I can put it in here. So I had this piece laying around. This is a male-to-male. I just shoved it in there and it works. So same concept though, 2-inch PVC, reducing down. This is 1-inch Y strainer again, and this is 1-inch polyclear braided line. And then similar concept is back there, feeding into the pump. This is a 5.5 gallon a minute pump, or 5.6, General TS 2021. I got the 1-inch line, reducing down to a 3/4, and then this is again that same live garden hose swivel. So you can, I have it cranked down real tight now, but just a channel lock and a regular wrench, and you can loosen this off. And then all I have is this last brass reducer from the 3/4 down to the 1/2 inch, which is what's threaded on the head of the general pump. So again, if I ever got to pull, I just actually redid the packing in here, so it's quite convenient to have that all be able to just loosen this up and pull the head right off. So that's my setup. I'm sorry I can see the video is a little dark. Don't have the best light here today. It's kind of overcast and I'm in an enclosed trailer. So just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, I guess hopefully I can help somebody out. It's like a giant puzzle sometimes, trying to put all this plumbing together. but I think I finally have it actually usable here. And again, this ball valve, I put this in if I'm only running the hot water machine. You know, it's closed now, that way I'm only running the hot water machine, and then it's new, so it's still stiff. You get the idea. So if I want to run both machines, I'll just open the valve up,